Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Queen of Good Vibes. So today we are going to get some groceries and something for dinner because it's around 5ish, 6. I think so. I don't have a watch. Next time I'll have one. So come with me, let's go out. Before we go, this is my simple outfit of the day. Yeah, my simple outfit, guys. So otherwise, come with me to the supermarket as I get my groceries and my dinner. See you. Hi guys, so we are back from the supermarket and unpack with me. Yeah, so I got this dishwashing liquid because mine was over, so I had to add another one. And I just realized that some drinks are over in my fridge. I had to add more because I like drinks. Yeah, I like snacking a lot, so because I don't cook a lot, so they really help me. And actually, I have to do a water refill because honestly, okay, I just moved to a new place and I've not got a plug for water refill, so I had to buy these 2 bottles to sustain me till tomorrow. I got a yogurt because I'm a lover of smoothies. I'm gonna make more. Yeah, I'm not a fan of breakfast, but someone advised me like to take breakfast. It's more important because I'm cutting. Yeah, guys, so I got my blueberries, raspberries, strawberries for my smoothie. I'm so invested in this smoothie thing. I really love. Yeah, imagine I could just take smoothie for my supper and I sleep like I'm okay. I think I have poor eating habits. Yeah. Another thing for smoothie, sweet bananas. Without sweet bananas in the smoothie, I don't know if that's a smoothie. Yeah, on top of that, I bought some tomatoes and some onion. And I don't eat food without garlic, honestly. Yeah, yeah, this is what I bought from the supermarket. And this, Dania inaitwaje? Parsley. Yeah, I also bought these to stock in the fridge because I rarely go outside the house. Yeah, and this, yeah, that's it. Oh, I almost forgot. I'm a lover of fish, guys. Oh my god. Yeah, I got myself some fish. So I think I'll do some vlog on how to cook fish. If you've not subscribed, please do so that you can get more updates, guys. Thank you for your time. I love you. Mwah.